You didn't apply to Netflix. Netflix came for you. A Tuesday. A recruiter's message. 3 sentences. You were stable. Employed. Telling yourself that was enough. The message didn't ask. It assumed. It was right. That evening you updated a resume untouched for 2 years. Just to see. 3 rounds. A deep dive. 90 minutes on how you receive criticism. You answered honestly. Without ego. It was true then. The offer landed Friday. It didn't look like a salary. It looked like a dare. You stared until the room went dark around you. Then you called your mother. She cried first.
Los gatos.
First morning. Nothing like the stories. No perks. No joy. Just glass and people who knew exactly where they were going. Your manager shook your hand. We don't hold hands here. You heard a compliment. You filed a warning. Day 2. The code base. The scale pressed against your ribs. You stayed until 9. Nobody asked. Nobody noticed. Doing extraordinary things inside a place that calls them ordinary. That loneliness moved in and never unpacked. The culture deck. You had read every page before day 1. Radical honesty. Independent thinking. Adults treating adults like adults. Nobody warned you that honesty here only traveled downward. First project. 6 weeks. Clean. On time. 2 words from your manager. Good work. You read it 4 times. You showed your partner. They waited for more. There wasn't any. 4 months in. The unwritten rules had a shape now. Never ask the same question twice. Uncertainty stays private. Confidence goes public. Surface deadline problems 72 hours early. Never the morning of collapse. You followed every rule. Reputation accumulated like sediment. What unwritten rules kept you alive? The ones no handbook mentions. Drop them below. I read every one. First review. Your director read without looking up. Competencies. Impact. A rating. Meets expectations. Strong foundation for year 2. 70-hour weeks. 2 abandoned vacations. Midnight Slack replies. Meets expectations. You thanked her. Something inside sat down and didn't get back up. A colleague promoted that quarter. 8 months less than you. You watched him in meetings. Not with admiration. With the attention of someone reverse engineering a lock. How he framed things. How he claimed without claiming. Slowly you started doing the same. Not because it felt right. Because right wasn't being rewarded. This is what nobody posts about. The moment you stop arriving as yourself. The algorithm wasn't only in the product. It had been running on you the whole time. Year 2. 3 engineers reporting to you now. You remembered your own isolation. You planned to be different. Your junior engineer said, I'm still struggling with the codebase. You said, let's find time this week. You meant it. 4 deadlines. A reorg rumor. An unannounced skip level. The time never came. She stopped asking. She figured it out alone. You became the exact shape of what you once resented. Not cruelty. Just a calendar with no room for care. Has work ever made you someone you never agreed to become? Write it below. You are not alone in this. March. Restructuring. 2 teams merged overnight. 6 months of roadmap. Gone. 1 Slack message. You asked what the new priorities were. We're still aligning on that. Nobody at the top had the full map either. They were just standing further from the edge. You kept building. There was nothing else to do. Netflix measured everything. Watch time. Clicks. Every moment someone almost left. Same instruments. Different target. Your output. Your visibility. Your name in other people's reviews. You had become a metric. High-performing. But a metric. Your partner noticed before you did. You used to talk about ideas. Now it's all status updates. The pressure is different here, you said. I'm not talking about the pressure. I'm talking about where you went. You went back to the laptop after dinner. It needed finishing. Everything always needed finishing. Year 3. Senior engineer. The title felt real for about a week. Scope widened. Questions came. You answered what you hadn't found yet. Steady voice. Unbroken eye contact. Confidence built from parts. Seniority isn't knowing more. It's hiding uncertainty better. Netflix went global that year. You were on the launch team from the start. 8 months. Nights into mornings. A date circled in your kitchen. Numbers came in within hours. Exceptional. Historic. A VP email. Names listed. Recognition given. You read the list twice. Then a third time. You good. A teammate texted. Absolutely. Incredible launch. Hands steady. Inside. Not. 23 minutes in the parking structure before you could start the car. No reason. Just an inability to begin the next motion. Have you ever watched something succeed completely and felt nothing where the pride should be? Tell me below. That feeling deserves a name. New manager. Year 4. Younger. Faster. His meetings moved before the room caught up. Your answers landed half a beat late. Every time. You prepared beyond the agenda. Built answers to questions unasked. Annual physical. Elevated blood pressure. Heavy workload, you said. Temporary. Nothing structural. She wrote something down. You didn't ask what. The culture deck promised capable adults. What it meant, what this place costs you is yours to carry. You were an adult. You would carry it. You always had. Year 5. A recruiter. A smaller company. Lower base. You almost deleted it. Then one line held you. A place where your work shapes the direction, not just the velocity. 5 years of its opposite made those words land differently. You took the call. You told no one. 6 weeks. Full days at Netflix. Interviews in parked cars. Before the building opened. 2 lives. 1 body. Neither felt real. The offer came Wednesday. Lower salary. Real equity. A team that would notice your absence. You accepted before Thursday ended. Your director's face when you resigned wasn't surprise. It was recognition. A pattern completing itself. This place asks a great deal, she said. 5 years. 9 words. The most honest thing she ever gave you. Last day. 1 monitor. 1 mug glued back together twice. 1 small cactus. The cactus came with you on week 1. It absorbed every reorg. Every omission. Every night past the point of return. You carried it to the car. Before driving out, you sat with the memory of that Tuesday message. We think you're exactly what Netflix is looking for. They weren't wrong. You were precisely what the system required. Sitting in that parking structure. Cactus on the passenger seat. 1 question. 5 years late. Was any of this what you were looking for? The algorithm knew the answer before you asked. It just never returned the result. If any part of this was your life, like this video, send it to someone still inside. Stay close. Where we go next cuts even deeper.